Advanced parking mode is a powerful feature that comes standard on all Thinkware dashcams. But what exactly is parking mode, and how does it work? In order to use parking mode, you will need to hardwire your Thinkware dashcam. You can check out our hardwiring tutorial to help you install your hardwiring kit. There are 3 different types of parking recording modes for different uses. The standard parking mode is motion recording. Motion recording will record any movement in the field of view of the dashcam, as well as any impacts while your vehicle is parked. The impact recordings start 10 seconds before the impact and end 10 seconds after, resulting in a 20-second clip. These recordings can be found in the motion detection and the parking incident folder. The second type of parking recording is energy saving mode. Energy saving mode reduces the power consumption of the camera by 1/3 and can record up to 3 times as long as our motion recording parking mode. The dashcam can reduce its power consumption by going into an inactive state in which any impact to the vehicle will initiate recording. This mode is especially useful if you want to enable parking mode with the least amount of stress to your vehicle's battery. These video clips are recorded from the moment of the incident up to 20 seconds after. These video clips can be found in the parking incident folder. The last type of parking mode is time-lapse. Time-lapse mode reduces the file size of the footage by stitching together photos instead of using videos. This results in the dashcam recording in 2 frames per second and no audio. These time-lapse videos are a 10-minute period that are condensed into a 15-second video file. Time-lapse videos are stored in the motion time-lapse folder. If you want constant surveillance throughout the night, or if your motion detection is being triggered too frequently, this may be the right parking mode for you. Make sure you check out the parking mode settings to change the voltage cutoff and wintertime protection settings. All Thinkware dashcams have a built-in voltage meter, which monitors the amount of power being consumed while in parking mode. You can set a specific voltage cutoff, meaning that when your car battery drops below the selected voltage level, the device will automatically turn off, protecting your battery from draining. To enable this, first go to your record settings. The wintertime battery protection setting is a feature available on all of our current models. Enabling wintertime battery protection will cut off the parking surveillance mode at a voltage level 0.2 volts higher than the voltage cutoff level. This is helpful in the winter months to ensure that your car battery remains in good condition. This setting can also be found in the record settings. You can tailor your parking mode to suit you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact our support team.